Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to learn about .gitignore, what it is, why we need it, and how to use it. So here I already have my Angular project open in VS Code, and I've already made some changes to a few files as you can see here. Now, if you've worked with an Angular project or really any front-end project before, you've probably seen this folder called Node Modules. If you're not familiar with what Node Modules is, it's basically the folder where npm installs all of the libraries and dependencies that our project needs in order to run. Now, typically, we don't want to commit the Node Modules folder to Git. Why? Because it's a huge folder with thousands of generated files, and anyone who clones this project can simply run npm install to recreate it in their own machine. So, there's really no need to store it inside our Git repository. Now let's actually see what happens if we don't have a .gitignore file. Let's open the terminal. I'll just quickly open a new terminal here and let's run git status. Now if you look at this output, under changes not staged for commit, we have all of our actual project files that we've modified. And under untracked files, we also have the node modules folder. So this is the problem. Usually when we're ready to commit our changes, we just want to run something like git add dot to stage everything at once. But if we do that right now, Git is also going to stage the entire node modules folder, and that's definitely not something we want. So how do we fix this? Well, that's exactly where .gitignore comes in. Let's create one. So I'll click here and create a new file and I'll name it .gitignore. Now, inside this file, we simply list all the files and folders that we don't want Git to track. So, in this case, I'll just add node modules and I'll save it. Now let's go back to the terminal and let's run git status one more time. And there we go. Notice what's happened. The node modules folder has completely disappeared from the output. Git is no longer trying to track it. Instead, the only new file that Git sees is our .gitignore file itself, which is exactly what we want because that's something we actually want to commit. Now let's quickly commit and push this. First, I'll stage everything. I'll create a commit and finally I'll push it to GitHub. Now if I switch over to my GitHub repository and refresh the page, you can see that the .gitignore file is there, but the node modules folder was never committed. And that's exactly the purpose of a .gitignore file. It tells Git which files and folders should not be tracked so that your repo stays clean and you only commit the files that actually matter. And that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick Git tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.